The utility knife is used for holding hooked and concave blades. The concave blade is used for scoring and cutting Altro flooring products. The hooked blade is for cutting through Altro flooring products. We recommend that protective gloves are worn at all times when working with hooked and concave blades. The straight edge is used to ensure straight cutting with the concave blade. The trowel handle and trowel blades are used for spreading adhesives. The hand roller and 3-section floor seam roller are used for rolling out air bubbles from underneath the floor. The heat welding gun and welding nozzles are used for heat welding the seams in the floor. The heat welding tip cleaning brush is used for cleaning debris off of the heat welding nozzles. The trimming knife or spatula is used for trimming off the weld so it is flush with the floor. The metal trim plate is used for initial trimming of the fresh weld. The grooving tool handle, grooving tool blade, speed groover, groover blade, electric groover and diamond blade are all used to groove the flooring seams prior to welding. Round X-Acto blades are for trimming welds on internal corners. Square X-Acto blades are used for trimming welds on external corners. These blades can also be used where access is difficult. Contact your representative to find out how you can order any of these tools.